Thank you, Madam Ji, for giving an opportunity to speak. I am a first-time MP from South Goa. The whole world knows about Goa as the most beautiful place, a paradise on earth. But in the last few years, we have been seeing a conspiracy with projects that have been thrust on Goa without taking the people into confidence. In 2016, they took our rivers in the name of nationalization, 6 rivers. Thereafter, during the lockdown, they brought 3 linear projects: the double tracking, the expansion of roadways, and the Tabnar project, which we have documentary proof. This is only to bring coal and convert Goa into a coal hub. Now, after the liberation of Goa in 1961 from the Portuguese rule, the only organized sector which is remaining today is the tourism sector, because the mining ban has fallen in place in 2012. The agriculture department is not doing that well. There have been efforts by the private players, by youth, to revive agriculture. A humble request to this government: take the people into confidence. Don't convert Goa into a coal hub, because the only sector which is giving jobs, employment to the people of Goa is tourism. And converting Goa into a coal hub will destroy Goa completely. Thank you.